Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential tips for renewing your Australian passport. First things first, check if you're eligible for renewal. This generally applies if your passport is undamaged, issued when you were 16 or older, and issued within the last 15 years. Next, gather the required documents. You'll need your old passport, proof of identity like a driver's license, and proof of Australian citizenship. Now it's time to complete the renewal application form. Make sure to fill it out accurately to avoid delays. For your new passport, you'll need a recent passport photo. Follow the Australian government guidelines for the correct size and background. Don't forget to pay the renewal fee. Payment can usually be made online, ensuring a quick and easy process. Once everything is ready, submit your application. You can send it by post or lodge it in person at your local passport office. Keep track of your application status online. This way, you can be updated on its progress and know when your new passport will arrive. Before we wrap up, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid. These include not filling out the form correctly or using an outdated photo. And finally, for a smooth renewal process, apply early and double-check all your documents. Happy travels!